So in my mother's basement, there was the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs tiny collection from Disney. It was made by the same company as Polly Pocket, which I love those toys. They're so cute. Miniatures are so much fun. So I have this brand new Snow White in a box, and I am gonna open it up. So let's do this. I went ahead and cut the tape already so we could get inside of here. This is a 25-year-old toy, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. Ah, there we go. Look at that. How cute. Inside here there's a booklet showing all the other tiny collections. Disney kind of did a Polly Pocket locket kind of knockoff. So you have Pocahontas, Mickey, Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast. And you have Cinderella Castle. Really lights up. Not one that my mother had in her basement, I wish. Aladdin, Pocahontas, and Cinderella Stepmother's House, which my mother does have that one, so maybe we'll open that up at some point. Minnie's house, Snow White house. Ha ha! There she blows. So, I'm gonna give her a little open up here. It's funny when you open this up, you think, I'll do it really gently. I won't mess any of it up. But you know what? Say loudy. That's kind of a cute little background there. So, here's the house. Look how cute. These figurines are adorable. And of course, there's really no way to get them out without ripping this off, so. Such is life. Oh, well that slides right out. So there's the little house. Just look how cute that is. All the little details, the bridge, the water, the huntsman's axe, the little drinking trough. So cute. Look on the back of it, there's a little button here. That's a switch, maybe that works the organ. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Here's our little house. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. There we go. Oh my god. Look how adorable that all is. We have the beds for the dwarves. The little kitchen area. Oh, look how cute. I think if you turn this up, they dance. We'll have to get some figurines on there. Get this up closer. Look at the organ, a little place to dance. Oh, a little dining set. Oh, how cute. Oh, it swings out too. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's the Wicked Queen. The evil witch. Oh, come on, focus. Ah. Where shall she go? She'd probably be at the front. Waiting to get some Snow White action. We have Doc here. He probably goes in one of these little beds. Oh, he's so cute. Doc, we'll put you right here. I kind of feel like you're in charge, you know? Here's Snow White. She's like, hubba hubba, I'm a sexy babe. So she's definitely gonna be dancing, because that's what Snow White does best, because she's a cutie biscuit. La 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 la. Okay, so this looks like one of them. I'm gonna say this is Sleepy. He seems sleepy. So let's put Sleepy in bed. I'm not sure which one is him. Oh, here he is. So there he is. He's gonna be kind of rubbing his eyes there. Okay. Let's see who else we got. Oh, here's a cauldron. So I think that goes right over the fire here. It just kind of hangs on. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Grumpy. What a grump. What a grump. Well, Grumpy plays the organ, so we're gonna put him at the organ. Come on, Grump. You can't play the organ with your arms crossed. Come on. There we go. Him's a grumpster. So, which you're kind of in the way, so I'm gonna put you over here. Haha. Next we got the Dopester here. Dopey. So Dopey's gonna dance. And look, oh, they're like holding hands. They're like, this is really fun. La 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 la. These guys are easy to fling across the floor here. This is, oh, I don't know. What are their names again? Him's a little dwarf. So I'm just gonna put him here. He's chopping some wood. Happy. He's the full-figured dwarf. So we'll put him here. He can be eating. That sounds good to me. Haha! I love how cute that is. And lastly, but not leastly, we have Sneezy. You can tell because his eyes are rough. He's inflamed. He's got his allergies real bad. So he better not be outside because his allergies are acting up. So let's put him over here. He's just kind of standing up to the side. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now you know what we have to do. Besides everything else, we need to put a battery in here so we can see. La 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 la. Oh look, there's the organ. It plays. Yeah, let's put a battery in this because we want to see this lit up. Let's get lit. Now we are in a closet. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the furnace is lit. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's really like quite lit up. I was not expecting that. And the little furnace in the back. There's that one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Grumpy's playing the organ. We're having ourselves a party. It is dark and creepy. Oh, how fun. Oh, look, the light on the front of the house. Oh my gosh. Dreams do come true. Am I right? So cute.